I now confirm you all high school graduates for school year 2023-2024.
Hi, I'm Gian Belda.
Ito yung mga chat ko dyan, 1201.
Candidates from Humanities and Social Sciences. May I therefore request Dr. Antonio R. Pantisma, President of Sumulong College of Arts and Sciences, to confirm their graduation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the City Schools Division Superintendent of Antipolo, and with the presentation and certification of the principal, I now confirm you all high school graduates of Sumulong College of Arts and Sciences for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations!
Magpantay, Prince J.M. Manuel.
Palma, Shian Velasco with honors. Partida Sharafe Martinez with honors.
Special Recognition Awards. These awards are given to students who have shown remarkable talent, exceptional skills, or contribution in various fields.
2023-2024 is a remarkable year of so many accomplishments. Indeed, we realized an array of achievements and ventured on different learning opportunities, further galvanizing high school's responsive academic culture and the general way of life. This year, SCAS High School was resolved in bolstering its student activities by empowering its student clubs and organizations. Throughout the past 10 months, different student-led clubs have dynamically led forays on various events and have unfailingly undertaken their mandate of helping their members strengthen their passions and express their talents. Of these 15 student clubs, one stood out.
Hi, I am Rico, and I am your Indakalo Dance Group Club President.
Hi, I am Isabel and I am your Indakalo Dance Troupe Club Internal Vice President. Hi, I'm Shian, the Indakalo Dance Troupe Club External Vice President.
Hello po, ako po si Charles, Indakalo Dance Group Club Secretary.
Hi, I am Rodney. I am your Indakalo Dance Troupe Treasurer. Hi, I am April and I am your Indakalo Dance Troupe Club Auditor.
Hi, I am Frederick. I am your Indakalo Dance Troupe Club PRO.
Hi, I'm Charlene and I am your Indakalo Dance Troupe Club Grade 12 Representative.
I'm Sean.
I'm Eugene and I'm Caitlin and we are the Grade 11 representatives.
Hi, I'm Sir John Aris Susanana, your club accountant in Indakalo Dance Group.
One word can depict our dance group, or Indakalo Dance Group, is the word itself, a belongingness. Throughout the years passed by na magkakasama kami, hindi namin mafe-feel sa isa't isa na may nale-left out.
It truly feels like home.
each individual at INDAC wholeheartedly express their love and care. In one word, I can describe Indactalaw Dance Group as remedy because dancing itself is cure and also pati yung mga tao dito is cure.
Isa siyang dance group na hindi mo siya masasabing puro sayaw lang, kundi isang pamilya na ang bawat isa ay hinihikayat na matuto at mahuhubay yung lahat ng kakayahan nila at walang maiiwan sa huli.
As our branding says, sumayaw, sumasayaw at patuloy na sasayaw. We are a group, an organization full of commitment and inspirations. Indactalaw Dance Group can offer a fun and welcoming environment for students of all experience levels to explore different style of dances.
IGDT offers not only a chance to learn different genres, but it also offers a family, a comfort, and assurance that you'll never be judged inside the dance club.
As a student dancer, personally, I think the most pressing issue is probably finding a balance between learning difficult dance studies and academic responsibilities.
Because nagsasabay-sabay yung activities and dancing practice.
Siyempre po, as a student dancer, I manage schoolwork, exam, and projects while dedicating enough time to rehearsal and performances.
As I go through my journey as a student dancer, na-learn ko po yung mga struggles and paano po i-overcome.
Ang Indactalaw Dance Group kung saan nagmula sa salitang indak na nangangahulugan ng sayaw o galaw. At ang galaw naman ay nangangahulugan sa kilos o galaw ng pagsasayaw. Bilang mahalaga ang bahagi ng sining at kultura.
Sulong Mananayaw!
Sulong Mananayaw.
Sulong Mananayaw!
Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of this year's award for club achievement is Indactalaw Dance Group. To receive the plaque of recognition are their members, namely Christine Aylayos, Mark Franco R. Palane, Emmanuel D. Evangelista, Angel Beatriz S. Bautista, Ayesa Nicole C. Suyon, Charles M. Ali, Gian V. Palma, Christine Joy B. Gabehan, Michael B. Arellano, Isabel Carla L. Cativo, April Ann A. Shabunya, Radley K. Pini Guzman, Charles Edward P. Tapales, Charlene Clarice A. Tonga, Caleb E. C. Ramos, and Celeste Comentador, led by its president, Rico M. Saranilla, and their proud craft advisor, Mr. John Iveses G. Justiniano. This award is given to a duly recognized club or organization that has created positive impact on the community and school it serves through the implementation of all its planned projects and activities, provided strong support to the implementation of the school activities and attainment of the school's objectives, and taken great strides to help its members develop